Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we'll be solving another very interesting question from rational equations for the real values of x. So let's get started with our left hand side. Let's find the general term of LHS. So we'll write general term as GT, which will be equal to 1 over. In first bracket, if we are writing x plus n, then second bracket will be x plus n plus 1. Now in numerator we have 1 only. So let us add x plus n. So I will write here x plus n. Then we have 1. So we have to subtract x and n. So we will write minus of x plus n. Now we are going to split our numerator with respect to our denominator. So we will write x plus n plus 1 over our denominator x plus n times x plus n plus 1 minus x plus n over denominator x plus n times x plus n plus 1. Now we will cancel numerator x plus n here. So numerator will be 1 now. X plus n plus 1 from numerator and denominator. So in numerator we will write 1. So we can write general term equal to 1 over x plus n minus 1 over x plus n plus 1. Now we will use this general term formula for each of the term in LHS. Let's do that. So I will write here first term 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 2. Using our formula, we will write this will be equal to 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 2. Now we will write our second term 1 over x plus 2 times x plus 3. Using general term formula, we can write 1 over x plus 2 minus 1 over x plus 3. Similarly, if we will write our last term, which is written here, 1 over x plus 99 times x plus 100 will be equal to 1 over x plus 99 minus 1 over x plus 100. Now we will add all the equations. So LHS will be equal to 1 over 100 as per problem, equal to, in RHS, we can cancel minus 1 over x plus 2 with plus 1 over x plus 2. Minus 1 over x plus 3, it will cancel plus 1 over x plus 3, which is written in the next equation. Similarly, we will cancel 1 over x plus 99 with minus 1 over x plus 99. So only two terms will be there in our right hand side. 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 100. Now we will take LCM. So if I will write equation 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 100 equal to 1 over 100. Now we will take LCM and write x plus 100 in the numerator. Then minus of x plus 1, which will be minus x minus 1 in the numerator. In denominator, we have product of x plus 1 and x plus 100 equal to 1 over 100. Now plus x minus x will be over. 100 minus 1 is 99. Denominator is x plus 1 times x plus 100 equal to 1 over 100. Here x cannot be negative 1, x cannot be negative 100, denominator cannot be 0. Now we can cross multiply. So we'll be writing here x plus 1 times x plus 100 equal to 99 times 100. Now we will expand LHS. We'll write x square plus 100x plus 1x plus 1 times 100 is 100 equal to 9900. Or we'll write our equation x square plus 100 plus 1x. So 101x. Then we will write 100. And if we will take RHS 9900 in LHS, then it will become minus of 9900 equal to 0. So from here, we'll get one quadratic equation x square plus 101x. 100 minus 9900 minus 9800 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation for real x. We are going to use quadratic formula. So let me write our equation here. X square plus 101x minus 9800 equal to 0. If I will write ABC value for our quadratic formula, then A is coefficient of x square 1, B will be coefficient of x 101, and we will write C equal to constant, which is minus 9800. Now we are going to use this formula x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times 8 times c over 2 times a. Now we have to plug in all the values of a, b and c. So we are going to put b 101. So in the numerator, we'll write minus 101. Then we will write plus minus square root of 101 whole square minus 4 times 1 times minus 9800 over 2 times 1, which will be 2. So x will be equal to minus 101 plus minus square root of. Now 101 square is 10,201. Minus times minus becomes plus. 4 times 9,800. 39,200. And in denominator we have 2. So we can write here minus 101 plus minus square root of. Addition of these two numbers will be 49,401 over 2. Now we can factor 49,401. We will write minus 101 plus minus square root of. It is 9 times 5,489. and denominator is 2. Now this 9 will come out from this square root as 3. So we are going to get x equal to minus 101 plus minus 3 times square root of 5489 over 2. So we have two irrational solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.